Drag sumps, limbs, yard. Tap the green knob at any time to operate the compactor to squish everything. Tap the garbage man if you need help loading stuff. Okay, let's go. Tap the... Drag sumps, limbs, tap the green knob at any time to operate the compactor to squish everything. Whew, there's a lot of stuff to pick up. Tap the garbage man if you need help loading stuff. Job. All the stuff's been loaded into the truck. Okay, let's go. Drag sumps, limbs, yard back. Tap the green knob at any time to operate the compactor to squish everything. The truck is getting full. To go to the dumping point. This is the compost facility. This is where we dump the truck. Tap the green button.
Hello?
This looks like a good spot to stop. Tap the red blinking knob on the side of the truck to open the truck. Now tap. The truck's empty. Tap the red blinking knob to lower the tank. Now tap the red blinking knob to close the hopper. This pile of stuff needs to get squished. Tap the blue button in the upper right.
This is Brushy Pickup, ready for the compactor. Over now. This is the master truck. I'm on the way.
Touch and drag the compactor truck to drive across the pile and squish it. Now that pile has to be like that. Just the right to drive the compactor truck away. Okay, let's go. Tap. rags, sumps, limbs, yard bags. Tap the green knob at any time to operate the compactor to squish everything. Tap the garbage man if you need help loading stuff. Good job. Okay, let's go. 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 Hello. Okay, let's go.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Okay, let's go.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Okay, let's go.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2.
Hello.
Off to Texas 2x2.
Okay, let's go.